Idungdungsa, locomotive verbs. Neryokada, to go down. Neryokada. Neryouda, to come down. Neryouda. Ulakada, to go up. Ulakada. Ulauda, to come up. Ulauda. Nagada, to go out. Nagada. Nauda, to come out. Nauda. Derukada, to enter or go in. Derukada. Deruoda, to come in. Deruoda. Durakada, to return or go back. Durakada. And durauda, to return or come back. Durauda. These locomotive verbs are attached with "seyo", an imperative ending which is used to give command or instruction to someone.